Hello, everyone. Just wanted to let you know that there's a brand new Vulkan API tutorial out. This one deals with image views and an introductory part of the graphics pipeline. So, the Vulkan API tutorial series by Cuda Education is the absolute best way, most efficient, quickest way for you to learn the Vulkan API on the internet. We have running code and we dissect that running code so that you understand and can see for yourself what's going on. The very first tutorial in this series deals with installing the Vulkan API on a Windows based machine. And then from there, once you have it running, once you have all the moving parts working, we go through a series of tutorials that breaks apart what's happening in the code. So if you guys are interested in learning Vulkan, this is the way to go. It's the best way for you to learn the Vulkan API. At this point in the tutorial series, what I will say is that yes, Vulkan can seem intimidating at first, but really and truly, you're sort of just trying to get into a pattern and be familiar with the pattern. And once you are familiar with the pattern, it gets easier and easier and easier as you get your hands dirty, as you get more involved in the process. So definitely check it out. Thanks for watching.